Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Windows 11 from a USB drive in just a few minutes. Don't worry, you don't need to be an expert. Just follow these steps carefully. First, we need to download the Windows 11 installation media. Open Google Chrome and search for Windows 11 ISO file download. Click the first link from the official Microsoft website. Scroll down a little, and you'll see Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Click Download Now under this option. I'll save it to the desktop folder so it's easy to find. Once downloaded, right-click the Media Creation tool and select Run as Administrator. Wait a few seconds, then click Accept. You'll see Edition, Windows 11. Click Next. Select ISO file and click Next again. Save the ISO on your desktop and rename it Windows 11. The download will take some time depending on your internet speed. Once it's finished, click Finish. You'll now see an ISO file that looks like a CD drive. Next, we need Rufus to create our bootable USB drive. Open Chrome and search for Rufus. Click the first website, scroll down, and download the first .exe file. Again, save it to your desktop. Open Rufus by right-clicking and selecting Run as Administrator and select No when prompted. Insert your USB drive into your PC. Rufus should detect it automatically. Important: back up any important files on your USB drive, as it will be formatted. Keep all other settings as they appear in Rufus. Click Select and open the Windows 11 ISO you downloaded earlier. Then click Start. Make sure to select the first two options when prompted. This is required for a smooth installation. Click OK. Rufus will begin creating your bootable USB drive. Once complete, close Rufus. Your USB drive will now appear as ESD-ISO. Restart your PC and enter the boot menu. If you're unsure of the key, search online for your motherboard model. For example, on Asus motherboards, it's F8. In the boot menu, select the entry labeled UEFI. This is your bootable USB drive. If there are two UEFI entries, either one will work. Wait a moment, and the Windows 11 setup page will appear. Click Next. Then I agree and click Next again. Select I don't have a product key. Choose the version of Windows 11 you want to install. Here, I'll select Windows 11 Pro and click Accept. You'll see a list of drives. Only format the drive where you want to install Windows 11. For me, it's Disk 1, 237 gigabytes. Select it, click Format, then Next, and finally install. Your PC may restart several times during installation. Once installed, follow the basic on-screen instructions to complete setup. Congratulations! Windows 11 is now successfully installed. Finally, download the necessary drivers for your CPU and motherboard, and your PC will be ready to use. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.